In this competition.
Ines Vogel aus Deutschland. Welcome.
Skin tone, hair, smile and charisma. I think Ines Vogel has certainly got
Kommen Sie erst aus Deutschland?
charisma. Competitor number 5.
Leipzig. Wo ist ein guten Speck? Wann haben Sie angereist?
Gestern Abend, nachts.
Also sie war kurzfristig angereist.
And if you think that the uniform gives it away,
sie kommt aus dem Aerobic-Bereich.
Ines Vogel,
Großes
German
Talent
aerobic
für die
champion.
Zukunft. Man sagt,
Pure dynamite. She lives in Leipzig, works as an aerobic and fitness instructor. And she says that posing for this Grand Prix has certainly been one of the highlights of her career. Charisma, she certainly has. Taking one or two manoeuvres from her aerobic routine as well. Certainly showing a lot of strength, and have a look at this. A crossover push-up from Ines Vogel. She may not take first prize, but she certainly won over a lot of fans here tonight. What a way to finish. Competitor number 5 from Germany, Ines Vogel.
Direkt hier mit eingearbeitet. Sie arbeitet auch als Aerobic- und Fitnesslehrerin.